A Millington woman has been struggling, and she's getting some help today because of a yard sale.
Our Tim Simpson has her story in this week's Pass It On.
I'm in Millington today talking to our playmaker, Helen Tuttle. How are you, Helen?
Fine.
Good to see you.
Yes.
So you reached out to us about someone that you met. You haven't known them for a long time, but you actually met them at a yard sale?
Yes.
Tell me about that.
Well, the granddaughter was out having a yard sale trying to help make some money to give to her grandmother because of her health, having COVID, put on oxygen, then heart arrhythmia. And when she gave us the full story, she's got real hard times financially and physically. And I just wanted to try to do something to help.
They're doing a yard sale trying to help out with medical expenses and rent and different things?
Utilities,
Wow.
whatever they could make to help out.
What inspired you to want to help?
Just listening to her story that the granddaughter told me, I just felt like I was meant to be there.
Well, I've got something that I think will help today. I've got $300 from News Channel 3, $700 from our anonymous donors for $1,000. Do you think that'll help?
Oh, yes, yes.
So we hit the road.
Ready? Yes, sir. All right, we're rolling.
And just moments later, Helen is knocking on Betty Owen's door.
I may have to go next door.
But we're not having any luck. Let's check in with a neighbor.
This is the dangers of this job. Sometimes you have to jump the fence. There are hazards with this job. Now we've got angry dogs.
The neighbor calls our recipient, and now all is well.
You remember me from the yard sale?
Yes.
Okay, we're here with News Channel 3 to pass it on. And then there's 4,
So Helen counts out the cash.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 7 from anonymous donor.
Oh my goodness.
$1,000.
That is so wonderful.
This money came at a critical time in Betty's life. She tells me what she's been dealing with.
My health, finances, can't go to work, although I want to so bad. And I have heart problems and oxygen, can't get my oxygen. I'm on oxygen all the time.
This Pass It On surprise will help, and having friends like Helen
She is wonderful. She can come see me anytime.